Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present to you the new chapter of Empress, I Only Date My Wife, Chapter 8. So here it is. Let's read the story. These two sisters, they really feels indifferent. Well, what are you writing? The sisters said, but now, look at them. They're really getting closer to each other again. But it seems that they're really happy that they're serving General Guning. Well, let's see. Oh, what's gonna happen? Sing Sing, what happened to you? Where's the previous sister? Research note 2. Use this to the far corner of the table. Well, it seems that she's really getting busy. Although, Sing Sing, don't you like your sister anymore? Well, she's trying to coax her sister, but her sister, she's still busy doing a paperworks and said, I love my sister the most. Then, why? Why are you studying Guning? Well, of course, she was serving Guning. Pick up, because Guning has more secret than her sister. Well, she was right about this, and now she got really intrigued. Guning suddenly opened the cell. I'm looking for you guys to ask a question. Guning suddenly went in. But the two sisters, they been surprised and said, Commander, well, they're really not expecting that Guning who suddenly came in. What do you think? What is she going to do? What information do you know about Yeshao? Guning suddenly said, and asking these two sisters, well, Night Owl, the only sky level of the Hoyinlu, the peak of the fourth order, strength is only one step away from the small master. It is said that the Night Owl also have the blood of the Water Demon clan, a monster bloodline. Guning, suddenly, she got really surprised about this. It is strange inheritance that will only thorough when encountering the special circumstances. Body shape changes into that beast and making it more adaptable. In short, don't let the night owl touch the water. Well, all she can said, it seems that she is really smart and brainy. Well, don't let the night owl touch the water. It's better end the water on the land. In that case, we can only. Guning, still, she seems to be getting interested. Guning, choose. Wanna fear directly and confront the night owl head on. Well, the system, they're really been informing her. Do you think will she get that or considering about this? Well, it seems that she want to know a lot of things, that's why she's been looking inside the palace. There's so many guards outside the palace that it would difficult for even a rabbit to get in, let alone, well, those person, where did the night owl came from? Could it be? Now, Kuning, what is she doing to do? One of the ministers suddenly realizing that Kuning was ups and she kept staring on all of them until right now Kuning she entered on the empress room. Inside the Lingwan hall, Kuning she continued and inside, well, the empress still screaming about her. Ning Ning, well, she must really excited seeing Kuning. Now, Lucia, well, those persons probably has already came in. The land will enter the fold as usual, and the rest will be handed over to the minister. Those person is nearby. I can panic. I half trust to Ning Ning. Trust Ning Ning. The Empress said. Now, look at her. She was enjoying it. Schooning, being dedicated on the Empress right now. She was watching her from afar. Still, she was throwing her swords. Could it be that she sensed something? Well, this time, the Empress, she looked back. It seems that there's something wrong behind her. Could it be that it was the beast who's going after her? So it was right. The person right now, it seems to be like a cat, but still in a human form. Well, she was holding a sword and going to put it on the Empress. But the Empress, someone is saving her. Well, probably it was Kuning who's trying to stop this girl. Since Kuning realized that the person was near the Empress, well, of course, she's been alerted and she's going to defend the Empress at all costs. Now, Kuning, she was preparing to defeat this girl, the intruder in the palace. But the girl, it seems to be, she wanted to fight her heads on, and now she was rushing to get Kuning. Well, this must be really exciting, right? But let's see what's gonna happen. Are you okay? Well, behind, be careful, the Empress said to her. Now, she looks really worried, but this girl, she has a lot of weapons. Look at her. She can throw a dagger and also something like a ninja. It must really hard for Kuning, also for the Empress, to contain things like this. Well, it seems that the person in front of her a really skillful artisan that can really make things possible. Night Owl is so agile that she treated me like a sitting duck, but as long as we're on the land, use the trigger to break the fast battle. Now, it really makes sense, right? Kuning, she's trying to defeat this person so she can save the Empress, but the girl, she seems to be so fast that she can really easily dodge everything that Kuning falls for him. But suddenly, right now, Kuning is really having a difficulty to be able to defend the Empress. Looking at her face, she looks really terrified until there's a loud sounds. Now, Kuning, she was thrown into the ceiling. Well, this must be the power of this girl, and it was really terrifying. Although right now, Kuning, she want to confront the girl. The two of them are going on the duel. What do you think? She really protected the Empress. Well, the girl, she's going to take me into the water. Well, this is not good. She should really go and escape from this. But now, the girl is going to get her on the water. Well, it must really hard for her. Let's hope there's no more bad things gonna happen. But it seems that the Empress, she really can help her. Kuning, she's been dragged inside the water and it was really difficult her to came back again. Well, for her, of course, she might be going to drown. It seems that the person is some kind of mermaid. At this moment, look at her, or fell into the water, as Shi Xingchen said, it's really transformed. Now, she can see that the person in front of her is a mermaid. Guys, let's see what's gonna happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.